Hello everyone, Dana here from Dana's Electrical Services, and today I have another quick demonstration video for you, and I'm not going to waste any time. Let me just jump right into it. So in today's video I will just be showing you how to reset your GFCI outlet. Right, so if you have a GFCI, which stands for ground fault circuit interrupter, if you have one of this outlet, and it is normally outlets with the two buttons on it, one that says test and the other that says reset, that is a GFCI outlet. And these outlets are used in special or specific areas like the bathroom, kitchen countertop, and they're also used outdoors and to control certain specific appliances. I said I was just going to jump into this video, but I started to stay a little there and give in a lot more information. By the way, I have a lot of other videos on GFCI, ground fault, and all of those stuff. I'm going to try to list them in the description so you guys can learn more about ground fault circuit interrupter, ground fault circuit protector, and all those stuff, residual current and all those stuff. Anyways, if you realize that your outlet is not working, right, and you realize that the reset button is up and you see the red light on it, more than likely your GFCI breaker is tripped because there was a ground fault. So you just want to go ahead and reset. Press the reset button. Right, once you press the reset button, your GFCI outlet should be good and ready to use again. Right, if you press the reset button and it trips again, it means that the fault still exists, and at this point you need to call an electrician to find out what the problem is. Right, there can be a fault as well as this can be a faulty GFCI outlet. So if you press the reset button and it trips immediately or shortly thereafter, then you need to call an electrician at that point. So that is how you reset your GFCI outlet. And this was another video brought to you by Dana's Electrical Services. So for more and similar videos to these, please feel free to subscribe to my channel at Dana's Electrical Services. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.